What is up, everybody? Everyday Angler here. I know, long time no see. I had just got off work. It's not supposed to be raining. It is February 24th, and we have had a really nice week. I think the lowest it got was like 67 this week. Of course, today it's the low for the week, but I'm back at it, creek fishing. Hoping these creek fish have woken up. I am spin fishing because I'm not really prepared to completely wade to fly fish, but that's it. We're gonna see what happens. It's been a rough winter. I mean, I've just been tying a bunch of flies, which you guys will see those videos. The fishing has not been that good for me. I refuse to kind of suck it up and go fish for trout. I did one time, but anyways, today's gonna be the day. I'm hoping. I have a good feeling that we break this winter spell and get to the creeks and some bass fishing. So I'll see you on the water. A good spot to start. Starting off with a Strike King Ned Bug, kind of like a little crawfish imitation. I imagine these fish are, I don't think they're being too like aggressive chasing bait fish right now. I think a little crawl will do it. Forgive me, I'm not the... And I do have some spinner baits. Right now I'm kind of just drifting this little... See, it gets deep right there, so I'm going to let that fall. Oh, come on. Oh shoot, where'd that break? Alright, time to retie. This from my Walmart run here. I've always heard red was good when it's a little cold. I'm gonna try that. Maybe this will be easier for them to find. No. Why? Don't do this to me. Oh, shoot. Time to freaking retie again. I'm gonna attempt to make a couple casts right here. fish on. First fish of the YouTubes. Holy crap. Giant rock bass. Thank you. First fish of the year on the YouTubes. Big old rock bass hit the spinner bait. Go ahead and release him. Okay, so the fish are sticking to the banks. All right, this is the last little area I wanted to fish. All right, black and yellow spinnerbait. I'm not even gonna, oh shoot, I'm not even gonna put a trailer on this. Come on, fishy fishies. That's a fish. That's a good fish. Yes. At least it feels good. Oh, that's either a massive rock bass or a smallmouth. Oh, it's a little smallie. Yes. Woo. Beautiful specimen of a smallmouth right here. Get a quick picture of him. Ate that yellow and black spinnerbait. Beautiful fish. Perfect, chunky, healthy. Let me go ahead and release him. Buddy. Beautiful. And that's the type of crap that's gonna make me cast one more time. That's what I needed right there. Oh, the fishing is back on. He was sitting in that current. All right. I'm gonna make one cast at the tail end of the pool, and then I gotta go. All right, last cast for real this time. That's a fish. Oh, that's a little rock bass. It's okay, buddy. Last fish of the day right here. Oh, that's a chunky one too. Look at the size of that thing. Thank you, my friend. I know I'll get tired of you later, but right now, thank you. Well, you know what that means. One more cast. And I'm gonna have to hike back in the rain in the dark. All right, I'm gonna go. I gotta call it right here. Last cast for real.